Hello friends, once again I am here with my new video with the topic loading data from different sources into Power BI. So we will continue to Power BI report building, how to build report using different sources. So first we will go to how we can create. We will go to file, we will go to save as. There is no work done in the file, but we can save any file in the Power BI dot pbix. It is saved as dot .pbix. Special Power BI file which includes connectors to data sources. Any transformation apply on the data can be saved here, and any reports created by data can be saved here. Time to it's really important to save the data periodically. So any changes should not be waste. It's now time to bring data into PBI desktop. What we can do, if we have any Excel file, we can do by simply click here. But we will go to the details and we will understand what kind of data sources are here. So we can understand there are two text columns and others are for numeric values to whom we can connect. So what we will do in Excel, there are numerical values, there are data sets where we can connect to the numerical values and even to the text value. In any data set, there can be text values or numeric values. So what we can do, if we go to the more, we can see we can connect here to the Excel workbook, Power BI datasets, SQL Server, analysis services, text files, web files, and queries too. If we go to the more, which kind of files we can connect, we can understand here how it looks like. So what we can do, we can understand here there are Excel workbook, text workbook, XML, and different type of server we can connect. MySQL database we can connect to. There are different type of databases to whom Power BI directly connect. So we can connect to the web sources which are HTML table to connect with Power BI. So all these are the subset only. We can go to the far more to the various files here. So if we'll go to the database, we can understand there are various types of database we can connect to. There are MongoDB dataset, there are Dynamo datasets, there are BI connectors to whom we can connect. We can go to the back and can connect. We'll go to the more. So there are various type of dataset here to whom we can connect. There are MySQL dataset. There will be Microsoft database to whom we can connect. There is Amazon Redshift database. That's also very important. So you can see various type of database to which we can connect. There is all whole host type of dataset. We can so all have direct queries here. We can also have Power Platform. What is Power Platform? It is possible for us to create a hybrid between direct query storage model and import storage model here in Power Platform. All of data is cached, and the data and this data can be stored as Power BI dataset, and we could connect to it from Power BI desktop report. And next one is Azure. Azure is a whole host of services. If we will click here, it's a whole host of services. There are various type of relational database and non-relational database. There are not relational are Azure Cosmos DB is here. Yes, this is not relational database. And SD Insight is a very big data platform. So we can see that it's Power BI can connect to the various type of data sources. You can think of on which data at present is working. So that's why is the Power BI is so much important. We can go to the online sources too. We can go to the SharePoint, and we can go to the Google Analytics. Where is the Google? This one. If you are applying for job somewhere as an analyst, you can see that Google Analyst, they see for Google Analyst. So by Power BI, it makes quite easy to make a report by these sources and analyze the data. And the last one is other. There are various type of sources we can connect here. Web sources, by web we can connect to the HTML table and analyze the data. There are R script and Python script too. So we can connect to the different type of R or Python data sets. Alright, then whole host of Power BI sources is here. Now we can back to the Excel workbook. We will go here. We will go to the downloads, and we will go here where we can see there is a file of Amazon book Excel file. So this file is basically a Excel file on which we will do work in our coming video. Now I will make you understand what type of data set it is. You will find this the link of this in my description box of the next video or this video too. Then you can see first two, there are 7 columns. First 2 columns are the text columns, and these 4 columns are the numeric columns. So we will analyze, we will generate some reports, we will do some analysis with this Excel file, and we will find some data insights from this Excel file. So friends, I hope you understood how to work, how we can basically download data sets from different sources to the Power BI platform, and then we can begin with the analysis. So this video was basically about to how we can connect with different data sources, and why Power BI is so much important and in demand, because we can connect with different type of data sources, online, offline, and various types of databases we can connect to. So in this video we are going to end here. In next video we will go with this Excel file. We will upload this file, we will do some analysis with this file. So friends, thank you so much.